2021 Honda Civic Type R. We got really nice 20s on it. Got, you know, still factory. And then he bought a titanium kit, a VR titanium kit. The catalytic converter's up there somewhere. Then it had a resonator here before. I'll show you guys the kit in a minute. But this is the aftermarket. This titanium all the way back, 3-inch system. Goes from there all the way back and back and back and back, and to the signature 3 muffler setup right there. And then it's also got a valve on top. He's gonna take it to his mechanic and they'll install that. We don't install them here. But anyway, so it makes it straight pipe when he wants, and then deep when he doesn't. There's a 3-tip setup right there. All burnt, blue flame. Really clean, really beautiful. There it is right there. That's after. And this one was on it before. There's the 1 resonator, 2 resonators, and then the 3 muffler setup right there. As you guys can see, right there. There's the old system. There's the new system. Old system, new system. So anyways, that's what it sounds like. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. That's what it looks like. Now we'll let you hear it. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. Honda Civic Type R. It's louder. VR system titanium. Bring it back so we can do a video, you know? Again. There's sound decibels. Right at 89. Go ahead and back it up. I usually it'd be 2 to 3 piece. It looks really good though. It's a nice look to it. Type R. You guys let us know what you guys think in the comments. Let you hear on the inside.